So welcome to the world of Agile Scrum. Here's the thing. They're two different ideologies and they've gained popularity in the field of project management, particularly in software development. However, over the years, Agile and Scrum have really evolved since we've evolved technologically as an organization, as a human race, right? When we look at Agile and Scrum, Agile is essentially a flexible and iterative approach to project management. You have the waterfall method of project management, which is essentially trickling down, right? But, it was very rigid in its approach. Well, Agile becomes that new iterative approach in project management where we look at, okay, what's the end state? How do we get there? And let's build it along the way as a team. Agile is crucial in product development. It motivates individuals, it gives them a framework to produce a good quality product for their customer. It emphasizes customer collaboration, responding to change, and delivering working solutions. I want to say software and then product at the same time. So, keep in mind, these are interchangeable terminologies, product and software, because originally Agile and Scrum was designed for software development. So, here's where we're going with it. Agile does customer collaboration, responding to change, and it delivers working software quickly, and regularly to the customer. Agile is suited for projects with changing requirements or uncertain goals. Here's the thing. I want to pause real fast and kind of give you a glimpse into the industry, right? You're seeing a lot of organizations now, and they're realizing, hey, we've got to be proactive. In the last 5 years, there has been a huge transition in the workforce. And when I say that, we have 5 areas of populations. An older generation, the Vietnam generation's kind of retiring out, right? We have millennials, Gen X's, Gen Y's, whatever it's called now, right? We see the advances in technology, and Scrum gives us that capability to take advantage of that and use it in this framework. Everyday industries are going through changes. That's just, essentially a part of life. So some common Agile frameworks, you might be familiar with these, but you have Scrum, Kanban, Lean processing. And so these are the common Agile frameworks we work within. And throughout this course, you're going to learn a lot about Agile as a way to develop yourself as an Agile professional in the industry. So I hope you enjoy. Now, when we talk about Scrum is a specific Agile framework that provides a structured approach to project management and product development. As leaders, if we are not using frameworks, it's hard to evolve and keep your team oriented on the same path and goal. So we use frameworks in leadership to really advance and create that collaborative approach to communication. So you have Agile framework provides a structured approach to project management and product development. It consists of defined roles, ceremonies, and we'll call these Scrum meetings, and artifacts. It helps the team work collaboratively and efficiently. In industry today, like I said, they're more reactive now than they were about 5 years ago. And you started to see a lot of the change happen during COVID, because when you reduce that amount of people on the shop floor, you start to see where a lot of deficiencies take place. So, the whole idea here is to work in a Scrum and Agile environment and create a product that is, it adheres to good quality standards, but it also is efficient in time. There's not any waste. And so that's where we're going with these two methodologies. So I hope you enjoy this course, and I look forward to you guys joining us on this adventure.